Yep.
How you stop him now?
Stop.
Stop.
Stop him. What do you do?
Stop him.
Stop.
What do you do?
Whoa. Pull him back. Say whoa.
Whoa.
Pull it back.
Pull
Pull
him.
it. Pull it back. Hard. Way hard. Pull
All your
it hard.
strength. All your strength.
There you go. Now see there? That wasn't hard. You weren't about holding on that old horn. I'm going to get my saw and cut that thing off. My pocket knife. Maybe we'll cut that old horn off where you can't hold on.
That's right.
Yeah? Huh.
That's right.
Well, look. You just hold on to them reins. Look. Grab it down there by that knot. Now hold on to it. And grab this one down there by that knot. Now hold on to it. Can you hold on to it? Wrap your hand around like you're holding on to your mama.
Hold it tight, bud.
Now come on. Kick him, tell him let's go.
Let's go.
Kick him.
Kick him.
Let's go.
You got to kick him with your feet. There you go.
I heard that.
Finally.